I invite you to do 2 times the movement of the T, then a sort of double A, 1 in the sphere above, 1 in the sphere below. Then we really have to open this part to really enter the lower spheres of our being. And then to even go deeper into the earth. And through this, just through going deeper and deeper into our being, into our earthly being, making this O gesture come about. And we combine it in a way with this thought, this am I. Feel your heart, and I have a connection to the calves, to the lower legs. So the lower legs can send out warmth left and right and make the arms rise. And this warmth just goes up to the heaven, carries our arms up, and that never stops. Our lower legs and the heart in it continues all the time. And the gesture of the T is just built from the countercurrent. It touches my heart, and from out my heart, the answer arrives in the T and opens it backwards. T. And then this receiving, light filled. And then we turn the hands maybe a little bit. It's not necessary, but you can. Lovingly towards the earth. And then we go deeper through the legs. I push, or with my thighs, I use the energy to go deeper through the legs, feet into the earth. And the O comes about and fills itself with caring love by itself. That's me. Carrying love, nourished from my earthly being. And this nourished from my heavenly being. Last time. Lower legs. Lower legs streaming upwards, touching my heart. My heart is answering to this light. Entering the bodily word, am. Feeling the depths, I. Just experience it a little bit, how you stand there. What fills your gesture, what you feel like, or what you feel. Slowly let go without losing everything. Let it diminish, let it become memory in the body. Let it go away and not go away. Breathe. Sit down in order to let the past hour pass away. If you have time, maybe you even lay down for a few minutes, a quarter of an hour, to have this second part of resonance, where the feeling level is reached, the body just swings out, like the waves on a lake, coming back towards you, without you knowing it. You're making you dizzy, maybe even falling asleep.